So I'm going to be showing you the different types of rice water and how it should be used, the boiled rice water and the fermented rice water. I'm just going to show you like the two processes, and I'll probably just pick like one to use and I'll see how it goes. I'm really anxious to see the manifest of this new hype. So stick around and I'll see you in a GB. Bye. So if you want to do the fermentation process, I think you should put your rice in water. I put my rice in water. I put it in, this is the level of the rice and this is the level of the water. So I'm just going to leave this for 24 hours, or maybe not up to 24 hours. I will just do this for some hours and let it ferment until this turns white, and when it does, then I would use it on my hair. So basically this is how I store my rice for the fermentation process. So I am boiling my rice. This is my rice in water. I just put half a cup of rice and some water. You want to make sure you wash and rinse your rice properly to take out all chemicals used to preserve the rice, so that you don't have that on your hair. So I rinse the rice with cold water and I put the rice. Now this has been here for some minutes, so I'll just leave that to boil, to simmer out the juice or what, the nutrients or whatnot from the rice. So this is it boiling now, and yeah, we'll just come back and check it when it's I think it's boiled to an extent, like I'm boiling the rice. Okay, so I am back. We saw how we did the boiled rice water and the fermented rice water. So today I'm just going to be doing the fermented rice water. I chose the fermented rice water because I just like my stuff being unadulterated. This is my rice water. It's, if you notice, it looks a cloudy color. Will I say cloud or milk? I don't know. Cloudy, whatever, cloudy. So it's cloudy, and this shows that it's been fermented. I left this for some hours. I didn't actually do 24 hours like people do because I don't want to stink. I had, when it stays that long, it has this really stinky smell. I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible, so I don't want to deal with that. So I just left this for, I did this around around noon yesterday, and this is 4 o'clock, so that's like a couple of hours, not exactly 24 hours, almost 24 hours, but not exactly 24 hours. So basically this is it right now. I'm going to put some in my spray bottle, dilute with water, because you don't want to use this directly in your hair with all of the nutrients in it. It's going to be too harsh for your hair. You want to dilute it with a little bit of water. So I'm just going to put this in my spray bottle and dilute it with water, and we'll see how it goes. So just stick around. Okay people, so as you can see, I am spraying the water on my hair. I actually boiled the water for some minutes, the rice water I mean, for some minutes, and added some cold water, let it cool down. I didn't spray it hot on my hair. Then pardon me, this is why you should actually do this in the bathroom where you're washing your hair, you know, because the water is pouring all over my face, because I'm trying to do it for you guys on the camera, but pardon me if the sight is not what you would like to see. So yeah, basically rice water has so many benefits to the hair, as it helps to detangle the hair, it makes your hair smoother, it increases shine, makes hair stronger, it helps your hair to grow long. Yeah, I think the whole purpose of this whole thing is the last one, which is to help your hair grow long. I think it's been something that's been practiced for a very long time. This is something that's been practiced in China, or China or Japan, or the Asians basically. They've been doing this for like ever. It even hit the Guinness Book of Records as the the most longest hair. I don't know, whatever. They've been doing this for centuries and it's been working. So yeah. Anywho, basically, using rice water would bring all of these benefits to you. So try to incorporate it in your regimen. You could, apart from doing what I'm doing now, which is spraying it on my hair, you could put it in your shampoo, put it in your conditioner. So anytime you're shampooing your hair, it contained. The good part of it is no matter how much you rinse it, it still remains in your hair. So basically, the nutrients are not like rinsed off. You could do this once a month or twice a month. So that's basically it. And yeah, you should be able to see results like in a month's time, because this is my first time of actually doing this, and for the past 1 or 2 weeks my hair feels softer and stronger at the same time. It's a very good conditioner. So that's that for this tutorial, for the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.